Hello everyone, today is November 13, 2023. We'll be doing our analysis on the Euro USD and the USD CAD, which is the USD against the Canadian dollar and the Euro against the US dollar. Starting off, we're going to do the weekly. Let's do our analysis. Alright, what's happening on the weekly? Alright, where's the recent push coming from? We are pushing in from an area of demand, supply right here. That happened right here, right? But it has already been used at this area, so it's not as strong. And usually after price reacts from an area of supply, it comes to an area of demand, which is right here, right? This is our area of demand. Let me just put it right there and put this right here. This is our area of demand. So you gotta understand it moved from area of supply into an area of demand right here. Now we go to the daily. What's happening on the daily, right? The daily looks like we're pushing in, right? We're pushed here, we, we're coming down, and now we're pushing back up again, and now we're doing a retracement. This is the last impulsive move, and now we're in a correction move. We're gonna do a correction move, and looks like we're gonna go do an impulsive move into an area of supply, and that area of supply is right here, right? Now it's not crystal clear right here, but if I was to put my line, if I was to use the little lock symbol and put it at the level, this wick didn't really touch into here, so this is my daily level as of now for daily price target to go up. Right now, before this move into this push above the structure, this was the last pullback. Right from here, this high to this low was the last area of pullback. Now, if we go into H4 time frame, it looks like we are reacting off that area of demand right here. So we're just gonna box it from the high to the low and just drag it out, right? Now, what's our area of supply on the H4 time frame, right? And it looks like right here is our first H4 area of supply for price to use before it gives us a pullback into this level. So something like it would go from here up into this level before coming down and pushing up. Okay, so now that we have an area of supply marked up, we're going into the H1 time frame, and we're going to look at another area of supply. All right, so this was the last pullback right before we gave this move down, and price already used it. Now it's coming back into an area of demand right here. So it looks like the next area for price is this H1 and H4 area of supply, right? So this is going to be the first target before price hit this one. Now, a crucial area is that we are coming off this area of demand, so demand is in control. We know that on the daily, they're trying to move price up into this area. On the 4 hour, we are reacting off this area of demand, so it looks like we're moving into this target, right? On the H1, clear as well. We get this big move up, breaks above this area of supply. There's nothing really stopping us until this area of supply now. Price came down, used it, moved up, broke the structure, moved up again, now pulled down, and now it looks like we're more bullish than bearish, right? So we're looking for buys. Now once we have found that, we come down into the 15-minute time frame, returning our session-based indicators. From here, all you're going to do is mark the highs and lows of days as confluence areas, right? We're actually going down to the 5 minute so we can be more precise with this, right? Now this is the high of day for the previous session trading days. So let's just mark this as high and lows of days. And then at the bottom here as well is the high and low of day. Now coming into here, highs and lows of days. And boom, highs and lows of days. Alright, we have marked our 4 key points of highs and lows of days. Now the reason I use these areas are they are basically additional confluence target, right? They're confluence target for me because any areas of supply and demand before I get a push from these areas are a very high probability setup, right? So we'll looking at this, since we're looking at buys, this is an area that I want to kind of take the order from, right? Actually, it would be right here. If price can come down into this area. You can see already a wick below, but it's fine. This was the last pullback before the huge correction move, so usually price will give you that correction move in a second if it wants to. But this is our 5 minute right here, and our 1 minute already been mitigated, but there's one down here, right? So we'll set our order like this. It will be a buy limit order with the 1 to 2 like that, and we will see how this trade goes, right? I'll update you guys later on what happens. So I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis on the EURUSD. We will do a USD CAD analysis in a bit here. Alright, hopefully it smashes TP. We're using good risk to reward, risk 1% or 0.5% on the account to make 1% or 2%, whether you're risking 0.5 or 1. Have a good one.